To create a recurring fee plan in the Data Vault, click the Data Vault tab, go to Plans, then hit New. You will then name your plan and give it a description. In this section, you can choose to automatically email a client when a payment has been declined, or activate transaction recycling. You can choose to retry failed transactions a certain amount of times. You can choose to retry daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can retry every certain amount of days. Clicking this box will require a review before the plan can be assigned to a client. You can choose to either process this payment immediately based off the start date entered, or process at the end of the day. In the customer notification area, you can choose to email the consumer a certain amount of days before an upcoming payment. You can also choose to either use the same email address that has been set up in the configuration page, or override and choose your own email. In the merchant notification area, you can email summarized plan reports, send daily plan processing statistic reports, payment plan completion reports, or failed payment notification reports. You can choose to send these reports to anyone that you enter in the email fields. For example, if we would like to send failed payment notifications, we would select that box and enter in an email. The default merchant accounts for payments processing allows you to select which merchant account you would like to process the payment through. For example, if your client is using a credit card to process their payment plan transactions, select which merchant account the credit card should be run through. The sequences section at the bottom of the screen will allow you to create the actual payment plan. Click Add Sequence. Enter in the amount that you would like to charge. Enter the product ID and product description. The frequency section allows you to charge every certain amount of days, on a certain day of the month, or a certain day of the year. For this example, we're going to charge this client on the first day of the month. The duration section allows you to charge the amount you chose a certain amount of times, or have a no end date. This example, we will do this for 3 times, which means that it will charge the client $70 on the first day of the month for 3 months. Then we will hit Save. To continue that payment plan, hit Add Sequence, enter in the amount for the rest of the payments, and then the product ID. And again, we will charge them on the first day of the month, but this time we will select no end date until they choose to end their membership. Then hit Save. When you are finished creating sequences, hit Save. The plan has now been saved. Next, we will assign this plan to a client. To do this, go to Clients, then hit Search. Search for the client, then hit Edit. Go to the Manage Plans tab and click Assign New Recurring Plan. Select the plan that you just created. And choose the payment type. This will list all the payment types that you have previously created for this client. The section in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen allows you to again automatically email the client on decline, or email the consumer a certain amount of days before an upcoming payment. Then hit Save. You have then successfully saved a new recurring payment plan for this client. If you need further help, please contact support@sparrow1.com, or click the Help tab on the left-hand side of your screen and click Support. From here, you can submit a request.